Hello, my name is Venus Bartolome. I'm 23 years old. Before, I work in the Philippines, but the salary is low. I go to Net Resources to help me find employer in Hong Kong. And now, I'm here in Hong Kong for 3 months. I am very happy because I have a very good employer. They treat me well. People in Hong Kong is very good. Now, my salary is 3,580 Hong Kong dollar with 4 days day off per month and 12 statutory holiday a year. Besides that, I also have 7 days annual leave every year. I enjoy staying here in Hong Kong. I enjoy also working in Hong Kong. Thank you, Net Resources, for giving me a good employer. So, what are you waiting for? Come now and process your papers at Net Resources. Bye-bye. See you.